John Alago Ford, known professionally as Daniel Padilla, is a Filipino actor and singer born on April 26, 1995, in Manila, Philippines. He is the son of actors Daniel Padilla and Carla Ford, whose screen name is Carla Estrada. Daniel is the nephew of action star Robin Padilla and Bibi Gandang Hari. Daniel made his television debut with a supporting role in the soap opera Gimmick 2010, before landing the lead role in Growing Up. He has since starred in the Filipino hit television series Princess and I, and Got to Believe, among others. In films, he made his debut as a supporting actor in 24/7's In Love and Sister Akas, and later starred in the box office hit films Must Be, Love, She's Dating the Gangster, Crazy Beautiful You, Barcelona, A Love Untold, Can't Help Falling in Love, and The House of Us. Daniel's films have earned a total of 3.14 billion pesos in the box office, with the lettermost becoming the highest-grossing Filipino film at the time. As a recording artist, Daniel has released 3 double platinum albums in the Philippines. He has also held solo concerts including Daniel Live, Das Most Wanted, and DJ Classics, Back at the Araneta. Catherine Bernardo and Daniel Padilla, or Kathniel, are one of Philippine showbiz's most iconic love teams. It was in September 2011 when Catherine and Daniel first met on the set of ABS-CBN's teen-oriented series Growing Up. In 2012, while filming their first major teleserie, Princess and I, Daniel made his feelings clear. He handed Catherine a tissue paper where he had written the words, "I love you." Their on-screen chemistry translated into real life as their careers skyrocketed. In 2013, they starred in Must Be, Love, their first movie as a love team. By 2014, they starred in the box office hit She's Dating the Gangster, where they portrayed Kenji and Athena, whose love story moved audiences to tears. In 2016, during a press conference for Barcelona, A Love Untold, Daniel finally confirmed what fans had long suspected. They had been in a relationship since 2012. In 2019, they celebrated their 7th anniversary with a trip to Morocco. Catherine shared an Instagram post saying, "Thank you for always making me feel like a queen, my king." Catherine and Daniel proved their relationship wasn't just a showbiz gimmick. They ventured into business together, opening a barbershop in 2019. In 2021, they released a special documentary titled Kathniel, Isang Dekada, marking their 10 years as a love team and couple. The documentary highlighted their growth, challenges, and unwavering support for one another. However, in late 2023, after months of speculation, Catherine confirmed their breakup in an emotional Instagram post. "DJ and I have decided to part ways," she wrote. "We'll always be grateful for the love and memories we shared." Kathniel's story is one of love, growth, and maturity. Their journey may have reached its final chapter, but their legacy remains in the hearts of their fans. For 11 years, they showed us what it means to love deeply, openly, and passionately. In December 2024, Daniel and Catherine had a closed-door talk in Catherine's dressing room for almost an hour during Kapamilya Christmas event revealed by Ogie Diaz. On May 1, 2024, Daniel graced the soft launching of his Koonje Castles in Tanoan, Batangas. The first biggest immersive amusement park has 2 main zones with each having 9 amenities, including studio and pop castles. Inside Daniel Padilla's modern Mediterranean house, Kapamilya star Daniel Padilla shows us around his 2-story house in Quezon City. The new place that Daniel and Carla share with Daniel's siblings can be found on a 1,000 square meter lot in an exclusive subdivision in Fairview, Quezon City. According to architect Marie-Louie Torres-de Leon, it has a modern Mediterranean style that can make the entire family feel cozy and comfortable. According to Daniel, the most exciting moment of his life was the moment that he finally saw his completed house. Many homeowners feel emotional when they see something rise on a once empty lot. Daniel reveals that he purchased his dream car, a black Dodge Challenger, after he saw fellow Kapamilya Enrique Gil's Camaro. Daniel adds that once he was finally able to buy his Dodge Challenger, he and Enrique drove around after ASAP, the Sunday noontime show on ABS-CBN. Beside the Dodge Challenger is Daniel's special toy, a Polaris 4x4. Since it is not meant for on-road use, he uses it on off-road trails in Subic. Near the front door of the two-story house is a swinging bench and 3 wooden seats. This is the perfect place for entertaining guests on a breezy and beautiful day. The main doors are double patio glass doors with wrought iron details that were custom-made for this family home. According to architect Marie-Louie, they were only supposed to use bronze glass panes on both sides of the 2 doors. However, Queen Mother Carla requested for colorful stained glass panels. The first floor of the house has a living area, an elevated seating area meant for business meetings, a dining area, and an open kitchen. The living area is furnished with a beige sofa set from Felux. Behind the fully upholstered seats are large windows covered with taupe and white-colored curtains. Facing the living area is an elevated seating area that Carla specifically asked for. She can use this particular space for business meetings with clients and partners. It is furnished with black tufted chairs from Home Depot. According to architect Marie-Louie, the floor in this area was made from real wood from Malaysia. It was purchased from August Alliance. The dining area is furnished with a rustic and charming wooden dining set from Ababat. Since they have a big family, the 10 chairs around the long wooden table are used often. According to architect Marie-Louie, the kitchen archway was not a part of her original design. However, because Carla and Daniel wanted to add more bricks to the family home, she decided to put up a metal archway covered with stone cladding from Busy Rocks. The architect shares that Carla wanted to use mahogany wood for the kitchen. The Queen Mother thinks that the reddish-brown hue makes the space feel warm and homey. To spruce up the small powder room, the architect installed a column of mosaic tiles. Since the Queen Mother loves chandeliers, she also put one up in this space. There is another living and dining area on the 2nd floor of the home. This is a private and informal place that would allow Carla and her children to hang out, watch TV, or enjoy meals. The 2nd dining area is furnished with a classic and traditional dining set. The family can have breakfast, snacks, or quick meals in this particular space. Carla can feel loved, pampered, and well taken care of in her private sanctuary. This bedroom is furnished with a 4-poster bed, a fully upholstered armchair, and several comfortable seats. Since the master bathroom and walk-in closet has a lighted vanity mirror and a red accent chair, it is a great spot for putting makeup on. On the other side of the vanity area and walk-in closet is the master bathroom. It has a shower area with a mosaic tile column separated by a glass enclosure, a corner whirlpool bathtub, and other high-end fixtures. A closer look at the whirlpool bathtub and porcelain bidet and water closet in the master bathroom. If you are also building or renovating your home, you may want to have your own oversized bathroom mirror. Pair it with pin lights, wall sconces, and other lighting fixtures for better illumination. This bookshelf filled with the Beatles memorabilia is actually a secret door that leads to Daniel's bedroom. Aside from commemorative toy figures of John Lennon, Paul McCartney, Ringo Starr, and George Harrison, there are also toy figures of Dwayne Wade, LeBron James, and Kobe Bryant. According to Daniel, the secret door only opens once you enter the right security code. However, he reveals that everyone in his home actually knows his password. Daniel says that it was his mother who wanted to have a Mediterranean-style house. For his own bedroom, he wanted to have stone bricks and other rustic materials. Although Daniel can afford to have his own bedroom, he would rather share the space with JC, his younger brother and best friend. JC sleeps beside him or on the futon at the foot of the bed. This entertainment room was supposed to be a walk-in closet for Daniel. However, when he saw that they were about to build a walk-in closet, he asked the architect if it could be turned into an entertainment room instead. He now uses it as a private place for hanging out and playing video games with his brother and their friends. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.